If you want to close your TripAdvisor account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is properly deleted. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TripAdvisor website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find the account deletion option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or privacy settings. Here, you should find the option to delete or close your account. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompt. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the prompts, confirm your account closure. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been successfully closed. Once you have completed these steps, your TripAdvisor account will be deleted and you will no longer have access to it. Make sure to save any important information before proceeding.